How to sign up for Replit. This is Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to sign up for a free Replit account. First things first, I am on the main Replit page right here. I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click my link and you will get some kind of free amount of credits depending on what promotion Replit are running at the time that you click that link. So once you have click the link, found yourself here, you can just enter your prompt right here as you'd normally do with a large language model. Then you click this arrow and it will get you to actually create your account. So you could do that, or you could just come up right to the top right for create account. We click on this orange button and just like that we've got this pop-up create a Replit account. Now I'm going to click here for view more options so I can cover everything extensively. Continue with Google, so if you do have a pre-existing Google account or Gmail, you can log in with Google. You can go old school and go with email. GitHub as well, you can continue with GitHub. You can continue with X, aka formerly Twitter, and you can also sign in here with Apple. So I'll just flip back to less options. So the main two, the most popular, are the Google account or email. If we click on email, you'd literally just enter your email and password, create a free account. So you just click the create account button. Like I say, it's free. They're not going to take any kind of bill-in or anything like that. So coming back over to the main page, I just want to show you the pricing quickly. They do have this free forever plan, as I just discussed. You're getting free daily agent credits, plus a whole bunch more benefits. You just have quite restricted amount of credits compared to the two main premium plans that they have. So yearly billing, you're saving 10%. They've got Replit Core $18 per month and Replit Pro at $90 per month. Maybe this is for you, maybe it isn't. Here with Replit Core, $18 per month, you're getting $20 a monthly credits, you're getting 5 collaborators. You can work in parallel with 2 agents as well, plus all these other benefits. Won't read everything, there's a lot going on here. And I do have a more extensive video on Replit pricing and actually a whole bunch of other videos on Replit. They don't run any kind of free trial, but they have this free forever plan. Replit Pro is $90. You get the equivalent of $100 in monthly credits, 15 collaborators and 50 viewers, as well as working in parallel with 10 agents, plus some more detailed advanced features. You can also scale your pricing here. If you wanted $250 in equivalent credits, that's $215 per month billed annually. And it scales up there, but very simply, you've got the free plan and you have the Replit Core $18 and Replit Pro at $90. There's some frequently asked questions here. You can see the table view, always good on these pricing pages to see the comparison between the different plans. You got Starter, Core, Pro and Enterprise. It shows you what you do get, and in some cases what you don't get, depending on the pricing plan that you go for. But I urge you to click my link, get the free plan, check out Replit, see if it is the right platform for you. If it is, you can stick around and get a paid plan, but you don't have to. Stick on the free plan forever if you want to, that's cool as well. But you do get the extra credits with my link. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.